Working with AI images is so much fun, but what is even more fun is when you actually get to animate your images so that you have them doing something inside your videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to animate your AI images using just Canva. Let's get started. So we're going to go to Canva. If you don't have an account, you can create one using the link in the description down below. And now if I go to my upload section here, I have several AI images that I generated using Canva. We're going to start with this one here. Okay, so we'll just add it to our design. I can also make it a bit bigger so that it covers more of the design. Yeah, so maybe until there. So this is the part we're going to use for our image. So the first way that you can animate your images is clicking on the image, going to the app section, and then looking for image animate. It is this one here. We're going to click on it. Yeah, and you can see it has already selected our image here. So we're going to click on this auto animate here. And then we're going to adjust the motion range. This is sort of the intensity. So we can have it somewhere at 3. And then you can also adjust the duration. I'm going to let it stay at 5 seconds. And then the number of loops is going to be just 1. Click on generate. And then you're going to wait for 1 to 2 minutes for it to generate the video for you. Okay, our video is ready now. We can see it here. So I'm going to add another page here so that we can add it to our design. Yeah, and then I'm going to set this one as the background, and we're going to pull it to somewhere here, just where we had our initial image, and then we can now have a look at this. Yeah, so you can see our image now has some motion happening. Okay, so this is what the original image looked like. Yeah, and this is what the video with the motion looks like. Yeah, so it's not perfect, but I think it is really awesome that you can be able to add this kind of motion into your videos. Let me show you the second method. So we're going to use a different AI image for this. Let me look for one. Okay, for this one, I'm going to use this lady. Okay, so we're going to just stretch her out so that she fills most of the page there. And then we can have her coming somewhere there. Okay, and now we're going to click on the photo. Again, we're going to go to the apps, and then we're going to click again on image animate. It is what we used for the previous one. Click on go back so that it can come out of that photo we were using earlier. Now we are going to use motion parallax, and for this one we are as well going to adjust our range or the intensity, which we can have at 3. We can let the length stay at 5, the number of loops to stay at 1. But now we have different camera parts that we can use for our video. So we could start with this circular one here. I'm going to click on generate so that we can see what that looks like. Yeah, so Canva has generated a video for us. We can see it here. Again, I'm going to add in a new page, and then we're going to add it to our design here. And then we can set this as the background now, and maybe have the lady somewhere here. Okay, so that now if we watch this, we can see the lady moving. Yeah, so that is what we got for that intensity. So adding this kind of motion into your videos ensures that your viewers are engaged for longer, and they're really going to enjoy watching the video because of the different motions that they are. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, ensure you like it and subscribe to the channel. It really helps with the algorithm. Let's go on to the next method. So I'm going to add another page here. And again, we're going to find another image to use for this. So for this one, we're going to look for a portrait image. I can use this one. Yeah, and again, like I mentioned, all these images I'm using here have been generated using AI. So I can use this one here. I'll just make it a bit bigger so that it covers more of the screen. Yeah, and then we're going to use the traditional animate. So just click on the image, click on animate image here, and then we're going to use one of these animations here. Okay, so both succession and blur are a bit new, and I kind of like the way they animate the image. So we click on that, and then we're going to reduce maybe the speed of this and also the intensity. Yeah, because you don't want it to be too much so that your viewer is distracted. And then you can decide whether you want it to both animate on enter and on exit. I'm going to have it just on enter. Yeah, so this is what our image looks like. Let me just play that a little bit. Yeah, so that is what that looks like. Let me add another one here. So just go back here. This time we can use maybe this dragon here. Yeah, so we can use this image here. We're going to click on animate, and now we're going to click on magic animate. Okay, so for this one we're using the Magic Animate, and you can either use maybe energetic. I thought energetic looks really nice because it has this sort of zoom effect, so I could use that one. Yeah, if I play that, you can see that sort of zoom effect. Let's put in another animation here. We can use a different photo. For this one, we could use maybe this lady here. Again, I'll just make sure the image is pretty big, maybe until there. Yeah, so just click on the photo, click on animate, and just find an animation that you like. And then you're going to click on it, click on animate. And now we're going to go to the bottom here to where it says photo zoom. Yeah, I thought this was a really nice animation. It has that really nice zoom effect there. Now, something else that I'd like to show you is that you can also create AI videos from text using Canva. So just go to the apps, search for Magic Media, click on this, and once it opens, you have images, graphics, and videos. We'll go to videos here, and then you're allowed now to put in a prompt which is going to generate for you an AI video, and you get 50 credits if you're on the pro version. If you want to try out the pro version for free for 30 days, you can use the link in the description. Let's put in our prompt here. I've put in a beautiful African lady walking in the market, and then we can click on generate video. So we have our video ready now. So you could either add it to your design, or you could decide to generate again if that is not quite what you are going for. So let's just click on this one so that we set it as our background so that we can see what it looks like. I don't like this hand here, so we're probably going to click on generate again. Okay, so I see the lady walking is actually somewhere here. This lady is just standing here, so this is probably not a good one, so we'll just delete it and wait for the next one it generates. Yeah, this looks much better. I'm now going to add some music onto this, and then I'm going to download it so that we can see what it looks like. Yeah, so our downloaded video is now ready. Let's play it. Yeah, so those are different ways in which you can create motion in your images. I hope you enjoyed those ones. If you'd like me to share with you more tools that you can use to animate your AI images, let me know in the comment section. Remember to subscribe for more videos like this. My name is Peris, and I'll catch you on the next one.